For the machine builders in our audience, Siemens offers you all of the right tools for building the digital twin solution. Perhaps the most important tool of all, Create MyVirtual Machine. It's an engineering multi-tool. Using the Operate variant, you can virtually configure the PLC, the HMI, and the CNC to establish a virtual test rack of the control. Using the 3D software, you can have a realistic model showing the desired movement of the machine in a virtual environment. This step assures the safe engineering and higher reliability of your CNC machine. With Simit software, the machine tool builder can create the digital twin of any accessories on the machine and verify a program's logic as well as the machine's behavior before the real machine is even built. The addition of NX Mechatronic Concept Designer gives you a complete digital twin of the entire machine. Create MyVirtual Machine Open allows testing or simulation software, whether developed by you or by others, to integrate the real NC kernel, the same NC kernel found in Sinumerik 1. For machine tool users, Run MyVirtual Machine is also a multi-tool. Its 4 variants align perfectly with Create MyVirtual Machine. The user variants, however, are all about preparation. Machining jobs can be set up virtually, while the real machine is cutting other work pieces. Similarly, your people can learn how to program and operate the machine virtually, even before it arrives or without interrupting normal production. You can use the 3D variant to verify your machining process to assure the reliability and productivity of your new machine. Cost savings and speed to market improvements can also be gained by virtually optimizing the machining process with NX Virtual Machine. Run MyVirtual Machine Open offers a powerful and economical solution, allowing you to integrate your own testing software to verify your part programs.